In this bonus lesson for advanced users, you're going to learn how to take your Cascade style sheet and move it to a separate file. That makes for a much cleaner code, and it's the way professionals and most people who are more advanced programmers do it. And some of you will want to create your style sheets on a separate or external file. It also allows you to reuse the code on other pages, allowing pages to have the same theme, and you can change it in one spot and then it will change it in all places. So that's a pretty powerful and useful thing to be able to do. First thing you're going to have to do is open a new notepad, and you're going to have to take your CSS code, and we're going to cut and paste it out of this document. We're going to cut it out of here, and we're going to paste it down here. And the cool thing is one of the cool things is we can get rid of the word style. We can get rid of the word style here, and then we can also back all this up so that we can get everything, removing a bunch of the tabs just so it looks nice and clean and is easy to read. Again, this is a matter of style, since HTML ignores all but the first piece of white space. And now I'm going to save it. And remember, when you save this, you have to turn off the text document if you're using a notepad. And I'm going to call this style CSS. The name doesn't matter, but the extension CSS is critical to tell the computer that it's a style sheet. And I'm going to put it in the same directory as the index. You can also put it in a special CSS folder where you store a variety of different style sheets. But for this page, I'm just going to use it. I'm just going to put it right here. And when I save it, I now have a style sheet ready to be used. Now, you'll notice if I save this page, all my style is gone. What I have to do is I have to tell the web page where to find this style sheet. And the way I do that is in the header. I'm going to create a link that tells the browser where to find the style information. I'm going to call this link rel, and it's going to be where the style sheet is. And that syntax is critical. Now I have to tell it where to go. I'm going to use an href, and I'm going to tell it to go to my style sheet, style. This is what I named it, style CSS. Notice the syntax of this. I use link rel equals and then the style sheet, which is required, and then I go href equals and then open quote style dot css close quote with the greater than symbol. When I save that, refresh that, it knows where to go to find that style information, and it's now restored, and also much easier to edit. Again, this is an advanced but powerful feature of CSS. Being able to have an external style sheet just makes your code reusable and much more powerful.